Okay, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from up near the Opalton area, the main side, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. The white you can see, like on that piece, is lights reflecting. I'm going a bit closer. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer. Beautiful colour through here. It's very fine though. Pieces like this, these have been just randomly scooped with something like that. I just shape that up, and that's the top of the stone. Little patterned stone. That piece probably is going to be nothing, I don't think. It's off cut. That's what these are, they're just offcuts of larger gems. Fairly thin, so need to end up with a stone like that probably, or a couple of stones. No more opal in it. This hasn't got much colour. Something like that, you just need to cut it down to the colour and shape it up as it is. So these are offcuts, some are better than others. The colour bar looks like it goes across there, so maybe grind yourself and you might end up with a bigger stone. Couple more bits there. Hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.